Sniff, sniff. He's checking it out. Do you have contraband in there, man? He'll find it. Oh yeah, he'll find it all right. What's up, guys? All right, so I just worked all night. I'm doing night shifts now, so I'm really tired. That was the first one. I have 6 more nights to go. I don't know if I should even fly, really. He really wanted to come out with me, so he's here. So it's the end of the year, end of 2017. And man, I did a lot of RC this year. I just realized when I did that recap video, a ton of RC. And that was an absolute blast. What are we gonna do in 2018? How are we gonna keep that going? I wanna get better at flying quads, FPV, airplanes, probably some more cars, trucks. You know, I'd like to build some stuff, everything, I guess. The other thing I'm thinking about in 2018 is maybe we'll do some live streams. I don't know. Maybe I'll see about setting that up. So anyway, this is December 31st, last day of 2017. Happy New Year to you guys. I think we'll have some RC going here pretty soon. All right, show me this, Thomas.
All right, so this is the Strix Strato Surfer from Ready Made RC.
Nice. Yeah. Have you flown it yet?
I have not. It'll be the maiden today.
It's always the maiden.
It's always the maiden.
Last chance to fly in 2017. No pressure, man. Brian's excited. Happy New Year, Brian.
I hate those punks with wings.
It's good to see you.
Nice to see you. Ooh, whose is that? That must be Ken's.
Oh, it looks like Rob and his Rob copters.
It's big.
See you, Brian.
Bye.
Vampire.
Yeah.
Hey, Keenan.
Morning, Keenan.
That's how we fly.
Happy New Year's Eve, everybody.
Too cold to fly.
What? You were the guy wearing shorts.
59 degrees, Ken. So what are you, sponsored by the New Year or something now?
Yeah, it was a great year. 2017 was a great year.
It was a great year.
It was good. I'm kind of sad. That's why I'm wearing this. This is representing 2017.
Yeah.
And 2018, you suck right now, man. It's so much bigger.
Well, you're from Alameda, right? So it's what, 30 minutes there? Let's go left, take off, take left.
Gotta get out the baby ducks following mama duck.
Riley don't care.
Oh.
Rob's back.
But then you can't move.
Nice. Oh my god. Awesome.
Is it time?
It's time
For?
the Jet Weekly.
Hey, in 2018, can you
Yeah?
just start calling it the Weekly Jet instead of the Jet Weekly? Just for 2018.
Okay.
And
Sure.
then, yeah, thanks.
2018 we'll do that.
All right, it's not much to ask, really.
So cold.
Oh, cold.
Yeah, it's down to 58 degrees.
Hawaii.
I gave it a toss.
Do you have any adapter raters?
Goal for 2018 resolution. We'll fix that. We'll fix that gear.
That's a, whoa. Is it really like that twisty?
That's twisty.
I can go get it.
The last Weekly Jet of 2017.
You got someone on your tail.
Camera's rolling.
It's rolling.
Yeah.
Hey, Rob.
We need your tree over.
Are you enjoying the Weekly Jet?
Whoop.
Under the net.
Rob, hurry up. Come on, Rob. Hurry, Rob. The last Weekly Jet landing.
Oh, the gear went down.
Safe.
That thing's like life size.
Kind of looks like you.
Like, drop the food.
Well,
Goodbye, 2017. Gonna miss you.
Yeah, okay, we know. You really liked 2017. You really liked it.
Hey, I'm Eric.
Eric.
Hello, Eric. You're Eric?
Let me make introductions. Hello.
How's it going, Eric?
Check
So
it
you
out.
saw the award and you decided to come out
I
here.
had to check it out, you know. Actually, yes.
Is it living up to your expectations?
No, yeah, just about. I think that tops it off is having the goalpost right there.
Yeah, we like that. That's
yeah,
good.
just
Feel free to hit it.
messes
Yeah,
up.
feel free to make a goal.
Yeah.
No.
Let's keep it that way.
Like
It's a good fight.
test.
Cool. Yeah.
Flight test special.
Flight test special.
Yeah.
Whoa.
probably shouldn't stand in there.
Wow, I've never seen a plane this big.
You know,
Nice.
smaller version, and I don't know what
Whoa, no holes. He's okay. All right.
And you were on that.
Making me nervous.
Straight up. Very high.
Okay.
Watch this.
That was way back.
Run, Rob!
Calculus, maybe algorithm or something you
And
can
it's
use.
the same as my power.
It always works.
I'm gonna miss 2017.
We know.
Nailed it. Dude!
How many scales of that thing there are, man? Come on. Crazy.
Hey, Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year.
I really missed 1986. That was the best year.
Hey, Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.
It'd be like, you know.
Like that? She's very 40.
It's not recording.
Oh, okay.
Happy New Year!
Never stop the RC. Never stop it.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Never stop.
Thumbs up.
Never stop the RC.
Happy New Year to the people, the RC people.
Okay, now you can go.
The best part of 2017 was hanging out with these guys.
2017 sucked, except for this. This is
I mean,
good.
serious. Everything else, I could drop about 2017.
Happy New Year, everyone. We'll see you next year. Bye.
Your turn, Ken. Go say Happy New Year. Come on, Ken, say it. Ken, go say Happy New Year.
We'll say Happy New Year.
Just say Happy New Year to the camera. Come on, Ken.
Happy New Year.
I did not see that coming. I didn't see it coming.